Maduka maduong' mar Naivas koro podi dhi nyime gi chenro mar yaro bedege e pacho kaendi aka koro giyawo bade manyien mar 76 e kaunti ma Kiambu. Duka manyien noero moyaw Juja City Mall okawo kar kama Tuskys supermarket ne nitiere. Akaluore kod Chief Commercial Officer mar Naivas manoeri Willy Kimani giyawo bede mathoth kaka yorno mar ting'o malo uchumi mapacho kaendi.
The 76th Naivas store. It's also the 7th in the county on Thika Road, and it's more like the 4th store. We have always wanted to be on Thika Road. If you go from Juja Farm, Juja City, all the way to Thika on the transit customer, the customer coming all the way from Garden City, this market is underserved. We looked at this store. The store had a previous occupant. The store used to do quite well, and we actually believe the numbers are actually good, and that is why we are here. We have also learned the mistake of others over time, and by the time you are coming here, the store design is different, the store size is different, it's slightly smaller, but with everything that you could actually have had. So we are happy that even as we actually do this today, we are growing the economy, we are increasing the consumption habits and how people actually do their thing. This store is a food market, and a food market is slightly different from the normal store. Why? Almost 25% of the store is actually fresh. And fresh means what? More value for the customers. It means more focus on what we call our private label driven brands, and more differentiation with actually our competitors and the people across. And of course that means farmers and people around the whole economy around here get to benefit more. There's quite a bit of real estate availability. We'll actually be going to Malindi next. And at the same time, it is easier when you're actually looking at sites that already have the historical data. It makes it easier. At the same time, we try as much as possible to give the Kenyan person opportunity to grow. We believe, one, with the support that you're getting from our suppliers, the support that you're actually getting from government, that we'll continue increasing and growing the modern trade market share. We shall go international, but not now. All the players that ever went outside the country came back limping. All the players, the 3 Kenyan retailers that collapsed, all went outside and came back limping. There is no need for Naivas to open a store in the northern corner of Uganda, and I don't have a store in Kawangware, and I don't have a store in Meru. What business do I have to do opening in Mwanza and I don't have a store in Nyahururu? I'm a Kenyan brand. I'll first of all sort my Kenyan customers.
By Naivas, I think that our values are similar. For example, on sustainability. So, for example, I was last time when I was at the deli. When I wanted to eat, I get a spoon. It's wooden. The containers are reusable, and sustainability is also close to Bio's heart. So I think when you connect on values, that also helps a long-standing relationship. And also, next to sustainability is of course quality. We provide quality products to the Kenyan market, and Naivas is helping and supporting us to give us a platform to sell our products, our quality products. Our secret is that we have a very lean and mean supply chain in terms of milk, yes. And we select farmers who can only supply us with the quality we need, and we comply to European standards in terms of milk quality, especially in antibiotics and aflatoxin. And that's what our claim to fame is, and that's what we stand for. And to add to you, it's not only yogurt, it's also fresh milk. We have cheese out there in the market, we have long life milk, so we have a whole range of quality dairy products.